Hi, Tom Snow here again. And in this next series of videos, I'm going to discuss some of the ins and outs of Vidnami, some of the great features. We did a Vidnami example in secret number 2. We did that for survival gear, especially knives. We'll go back to that. We're going to look at that, and we'll look at some others. Okay. Today we're going to do an overview in Vidnami. We're going to take a look at some of the structures that you work with, especially creating templates. We're going to log into Vidnami, and it opens up here where we were last on the buck knife demo. As you can see here, I've got all videos uncategorized, create a new folder, content, influence, all the different types. And then you can see you've got different videos, different folders that I've created over time. The first thing I'll do is create a new folder. And let's create one for health and fitness. I can cover a big category. So let's go down here to health and fitness, and now we're in the folder structure. So one of the beautiful things here with Vidnami is that you can organize everything you do. You can, it's got a great folder structure. You can create your folders. You can move your videos from folders. So later, if under health and fitness, let's say we decide to do health supplements, well, then we can divide that into a new folder and move the videos over. So it's great. It's not limiting. It's very good, very excellent organization. Let's do create a new video. And so the first thing it's going to do is ask us about our templates. Now, we talked about this very quickly in the past. Content video, influencer video. It's just different layouts that they have. Instant ad. As you can see, these all have different, example pictures, but what you see is, in particular, is your fonts and the highlighting of those fonts. And when you see a different color here, like super sale here, super sale there, that's actually going to be would be considered bolded, more made as bold. So you can, Vidnami will give you defaults when you put in a script, but it's going to allow you to change that at however you want, whenever you want. So you also could come down here. Let's say you liked, let's just choose one. Let's say you're like orange there as a background. So tired of shopping, let's just choose that as a template. So we can say use this template. Name of my video is going to be fitness equipment, treadmills. Let's say you want to sell treadmills. Hey, why not? I'm sure there's an affiliate out there that would be glad to do that with all the home gym going on. Hey, that'd be great. So let's we can go to, we've put in the name, we click edit scenes. Now, one of the things I want to do here is let's look at the layout. We've got normal text, our style. Now here's where I want to get into. Here's where you can change the background color, the basic background color of each scene. The font style, you get to choose all the different type fonts you want. So we started with a template, and we can go back through here. We can choose, Acme. Look at the different fonts. I'm just going to click through a few just for fun. Oh, let's say I like, all caps like that. So Julius Sands. Normal text color. These are hex colors. If you're not familiar with it, you can Google hex colors. 6Fs is all white. So the normal text weight is normal. The highlighted text color is this color of blue. Once again, you can look up hex colors. The background color is set for orange. Here, if you click these, by the way, you can see it pops up, so you can actually choose the colors that you want to see. So let's click outside there. Let's say if you want the background color, we said we liked orange, but let's say we want this color of orange, a little bit darker. Okay. Let's go the text color, instead of blue, let's go a bright blue. Okay. So that's how quickly we can go in and, like I say, choose any fonts we want, change these colors. You leave animate the text for me. And here we can do this as save a new template. Now here's the beauty. We've just taken a base template and we've now created a new template. I want to change the background color. Let's do the background color to be something doesn't look bad with orange. Let's go a light green, just for giggles. So this is our colors. This is what we want. The beauty is you can take any template, turn it into your own. We can save it as a new template. Our template is called orange on light green. Hey, whatever we like. Name it what you want. Okay, so we're just gonna, this one came in with four different scenes. That's fine. Let's go back here. We could choose different media for the scenes. This one's on shopping, so just for giggles, we can say okay. Well, and the beauty is we can actually take, let's for giggles, let's take our new template we've created here and let's reapply it for fun back to our buck knife demo. Why not? So we're going to save our fitness and treadmill stuff. It'll actually save where we're at. It's got that template has actually been created here under my custom templates, orange on light green. Okay, this is just showing you what we can do. So let's go back to my videos, health and fitness. It lives there now. We can come back to that anytime we want to edit it. There it is. Clone it if we want to duplicate, delete it if we want to get rid of it. But for the moment, just for giggles, let's go back here to the buck knife demo and let's edit it. Let's go to template, my custom templates, and let's use our new orange on green. So we'll use that template, and now let's go to scenes. And as you can see, now it has put in here we still have our same original scenes, but we have a We have our new fonts. We have our new highlights. The world has changed. So we took a pre-existing video and turned it into with our new template. And while we're here, let's do one last thing. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, that's fine. Let's say you, on the next one here, then you know that there are many tools that you need. I don't need to be highlighted, so let's get rid of that and let's undo the bold. And actually, let's turn into italics. Okay? So then there are many tools you need. Let's turn that to italics. Okay, so just interesting on what we can do. I want to come back and revisit that in just a minute. So let's just build this video and see how that turned out. So we're going to just go down here to preview. And when this is done, I'm going to go ahead and generate the video. What I'll do is actually pause it here, generate the video, and then we're going to look at that video for the end of this lesson of the template today. Okay? So we'll come back and we'll see the video at play. So today we scratched the surface on what Vidnami can do. We're just looking at the basics. We're going to spend other days and other videos reviewing some of the finer details. This is exciting stuff that you can create wonderful, amazing videos. And you saw that. Like, how great is that you can create a video like that in a matter of minutes? I mean, most other software takes you hours and usually days. You don't have to put your face in there. You don't have to have your voice in there. You can create what you want. Okay, well, thanks for being here today. Be sure to click on my subscribe button and ring the bell on my YouTube channel so you can stay alerted to each new upcoming videos that are released. To your success.